like right here, look at this. So Verb popped up on our radar. I just told you guys about Verb. And now look, 3 minutes ago, this just showed up. Now I saw it from volume and we'll talk about that in a minute, but here's the news. So this happened, but I saw the volume come up. I didn't know there was news, and there's the news. So I'll teach you guys about volume in just a moment. So right here, multi-vendor integration, strategic relationship with TikTok. There you go. See it? That's a big one, of course. TikTok's one of the largest social media platforms in the world now. So you guys can see this has got a nice spike, a nice pop. We've had Verb, by the way, in the hot stock picks before. That is not new to us. So that is something we've always been watching. But again, some of the things that I look for are news. I look for volume, things like this. So WTO, right? Even though it's lower volume right here at 777K, if this starts to pop, if people start to pour into it, right, this could really start to pile in and get big volume. The reason is I look at a couple of things. I look at the volume of the morning, and then I look at its average volume. Okay. Why does that matter? Because if it's going to the upside and it's getting more than average volume, that is very bullish. Why? Because the trend is to the upside and it's getting more volume than usual. That means there's either news, a topic, somebody knows something, or something's coming up, right? So even though right now WTO, it popped big time and then it faded, well, guess what? Later in the day, if this starts to drive traffic, is going to pop. Because if you look at its volume right now at 777K, it's already over half of its normal daily volume, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So that is a big indicator of it could pop. Is it going to? We have no idea, but we already know it's bullish. I mean, if you look at the overall big picture of this, that's a bull flag. See it?